Okay, so now you can add your finishing touches. So because this one's so fragile, I'm actually going to tape the back of this one. Okay. Slight ghosting on this one, which is fine. So I'm actually going to go in with my micron, just add some details. So I don't think I want to do much more to that one. I think I just might leave it like that. And then I'm also going to yeah. First one's done. This one I'm pretty happy with, so I might actually not do much to it. I think I'm going to leave this one actually. I like the way it looks. So you can even just do that, right? This one I wanted to do some thicker outlines. And then I also wanted to do a couple of my little florals coming out of here. So before, if you wanted to paint the background, before you go in and do any of these details, you would do that first. I'm not going to do any of my background, paint any of my backgrounds because I actually really like how they turned out. But in the next video, I'll show you some examples of how you, like how I've done it before. So these florals are inspired directly by Haudenosaunee beadwork, and I like to use them in my artwork to show different things. So this one is about what we were talking about earlier and how we use our mouth, our voice, or our form of expression to share what we think and feel and to empower ourselves. And I think that he inspires me a lot, so that's why I wanted to honor him and his voice today. And what I'm using right now is an acrylic paint pen, and they're so awesome. They're just like what's in the acrylic tube, but just thinner. So if you like drawing, but you also like painting, but you love the control of drawing, then paint markers are your thing. drawing these are so relaxing for me. Yeah, quite like that. So that's one thing, is that the gesso peels right off. So also, leather is stretchy, so that's why that happens. I wonder what would happen with this part. Same thing. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Maybe I could do like, I could bead on here or something. I don't know. Okay, so sort of done. So I'm gonna zoom out. You can see all the. I'm gonna cut this one out too. And then I like the raw of this one. Yeah.